Yes, good evening, everyone. Django 7:30. So yesterday class, one more application we started CRUD operation by using CBV. In that, I created one company name, location, CEO, list view done, company detail view completed. List 1 minute. We will execute it. CD Django 14th November. CD CBV 3 PY. Manage.py run server started. Come to here, go to the browser, give this, it will display all the companies list: Wipro, TCS and Infosys. So now whenever I have to click on first one, display details, detailed view. Now next I want to create view. How to create one new company? For that, go to Atom, views.py, class, company, create view, parent class. The parent class is create view. Give this one to the parent. This is the child. Inside I have to give the variable model equal to the model name is company. Inside I have to provided a variable fields equal to underscore all. This is the class. ఇది క్లాస్. దీనికి ఒక URL. అనగా అనగనగా అయిందిరా. Create view. దీనికి ఒక HTML కావాలి. What is the default HTML page? Company underscore. Very good. కంపెనీ అండర్ స్కోర్ లిస్ట్ ఎక్కడ నిన్న అయిపోయింది ఆల్రెడీ. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్ప్లే దెన్ కంపెనీ అండర్ స్కోర్ లిస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా. కంపెనీ అండర్ స్కోర్ form.html. So HTML file, copy, come to templates, right click, a new file, company underscore form.html. నేను మనోడు 2 నుంచి రాట్ల క్లాస్కి. మొన్న అలిగి వెళ్ళిపోయావు ఎవరి మీద. నీ హృదయం పగిలిపోయింది దాంతో. Company form, paste it. Now, extend base page, remove all these nonsense. Body block, okay. H1 tag, inside. Company, insert or insert की update की same form, save. Server started, just give the IP address create slash, yeah, insert and form came. Now, form tag, I want to provide a class A action not required, method equal to post, curling brace, form. Refresh, name, location, CEO, line by line, dot as underscore P, refresh, came. One button is required, CSRF token, percentage, CSRF underscore token. Input to type equal to submit, button type, I have to take value. Insert ki update ki both same kabatti insert or అది రికార్డ్ కాదు కదా. Insert or update the company. I have to take one class btn primary. Come here, refresh. ఫామ్ కేమ్ దీన్ని అలైన్ చేస్తే ఏమైంది, అక్కడే ఎల్ చేస్తే సరే. సో నౌ వన్స్ I inserted already 3 companies are there. Now I am inserted IBM. Location, Pune, CEO from Deepika, insert and update. So within your model, you have to implemented one URL. What it is? Get absolute URL method, because of which page I want to display. I want to display the detailed page. So okay, correct. Now this is the code of company underscore HTML. So after inserting record, we will get an error that is improperly configured at create, no URL to redirected or implement get absolute method. So go to models.py. Models లో you need to implement this method, get absolute URL method. Models, after all fields, def, get absolute method of URL self. Return, what is the function? Reverse, where it is available from Django dot URLs. Django dot URLs import and automatically will be displayed reverse. Then use that reverse. Internally, the name of the URL is detail. The argument keyword arguments is dictionary, primary key, self current class object key we can provide it. What is this detail? Go to URLs. దీనికి URL లేదు కాబట్టి here I have to give one attribute name equal to detail. See the server, fine. Come to here. Now go to the list. Is it added or not added? And IBM, Infosys, TCS, Wipro. Now slash create. Only company link. NCR. NCR. Location Delhi. CEO. Set and update. Company name, all will be added there. So after that, I want to update the details. అప్డేట్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ బటన్స్ కావాలి. ఓకే, ఇన్ మోడల్స్లో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మోడల్స్. Yeah, exactly three fields means somewhere else I provided fields equal to all now. That's why three fields are there. It's taken three fields. Hanumantu. In the view, I provided fields equal to all. Whatever fields I provided, that fields it will be displayed. I'm given all, that's what it is displaying three. Insertion అయింది. Now update view. Views.py. Update కూడా same form. Company underscore form.html only. Go to the views. Here, copy, paste. Company update. The class is update view. This is the parent. This is the child. But you don't update all fields. I want to change location and CEO. Company name never changes. 90%. Location, CEOs will be changes. So what is the default template? Same template. Company underscore form.html. దీనికి ఒక URL you can define. Bus form game not required. URL pattern. Come to this URL. Update. Pass one ID instead of create. Update. Done. Class is there tomorrow. No? Morning 9 AM. ముందే 9కి నంపై క్లాస్. ఈవినింగ్ నో క్లాస్. ఎంజాయ్. Sir, now how to update general అయితే update URL integer key I can provided. This is the server address. Go to admin panel. Am I displaying IDs? Yeah. First ID Wipro. Okay. Update /1. Hyderabad Sunny Leone. Sunny Leone, na? Now change insert and update. Sunny, come to here, refresh. See your Sunny. Now, but I don't want give URL pattern like this. Some changes అంటే ఇక్కడే in this one detailed view లో I want to provided buttons. Company underscore detail view. H1 company name. ఇక్కడ anchor tag. One is, do you want to update the record? Update. Or if you want to go to the main page list, companies list కి వెళ్తుంది. Now చూద్దాం. విప్రో ఇదిగో సన్నీ హైదరాబాద్ అప్డేట్ రికార్డ్ కంపెనీస్ లిస్ట్ బాగానే ఉంది కానీ క్లాస్ I have to provided BTN warning. Okay, next class the companies list కాబట్టి I can go with success. See you కాదు SU success. Okay, but if you're pointing this hash symbol, here also hash symbol is there. Remove this hash. What is the URL pattern? Update. You need to pass current company object. Company is the context object ID. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి మెయిన్ పేజ్ స్లాష్. ఓకే డన్. నౌ గో టు ద మెయిన్ పేజ్. ఎందుకండి నౌ ఇక్కడ టీసీఎస్ దీపిక టీసీఎస్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ అప్డేట్ రాధిక, ఇన్సర్ట్, రీఫ్రెష్, దీపిక పోయే రాధిక వచ్చే. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ బ్యాక్ కంపెనీస్ లిస్ట్, ఎన్సిఆర్ అప్డేట్ కంపెనీస్. ఇప్పుడు ఐ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక బటన్, ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? గో టు హియర్ స్లాష్ క్రియేట్ అనాలి. సో అది కరెక్ట్ వే. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ద కరెక్ట్ వే. ఇది ఎక్కడుంది? ఇది లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్లో ఉంది కదా, కంపెనీ లిస్ట్. సరిపోయిందా? చూద్దాం. పి పోయింది. కంపెనీ. ఇక్కడ URL pattern is create. Now come here, refresh. 5 are there. Now okay, insert company name CA, location Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, Delhi, CEO Lilly. Inserted companies list, CA added. Come to here, refresh. ఇంకా ఫైనల్గా కావాల్సింది ఇన్సర్ట్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ లిస్ట్, అప్డేట్ కంపెనీస్ లిస్ట్. వన్ మోర్ బటన్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్? డిలీట్. దెన్ టోటల్ థింగ్ ఆర్ రెడీ. వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్, లిస్టా, అప్డేటా, డిస్ప్లేనా, ఇన్సర్టా, ఆల్ కేమ్. ఇదే ప్రాసెస్. సో వేర్ వీఆర్ ప్రజెంట్ URLs కదా. యాడ్ అప్డేట్ లింక్ ఇన్ company underscore detail.html. ఫైనల్ గా డిలీట్. అనగా అనగనగా తీరా. అయిపోయిందా? ఫైనల్ గా లాస్ట్ వన్ delete view. Go to the views. Here company, delete view. Come to here, copy, paste it. Here one thing is required. What is that one? Variable success URL equal to what is the function? Reverse underscore lazy from Django dot UR dot URLs import reverse underscore lazy. This reverse underscore lazy, inside you have to go to the list. Until deletion of it is waiting. What is the list? Go to URLs. ఇది empty కాబట్టి I have to provide that name equal to list. That is the delete view. దీనికి one URL is required. That URL is this one. Now update, same give delete. So now what is required final ga? Last ID 6. Okay. Slash delete of 6. It is asking template does not exist. What is the default template name? Confirm underscore delete.html. ఇది కావాలి. This one is the final HTML page which is responsible to delete your record. Okay, now right click, new file, copy underscore confirm underscore delete.html. ఏదో code copy, paste it, extend h1 form. ఇక్కడ do you want to really delete the company? Curling brace, curling brace. Object name is company dot name. One line. Form method equal to post. Clicking on button. Form not required. CSRF token. Input button. Delete. But the button is danger button. ఏమైతే ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Do you want to really delete company? CA. Okay, delete. I don't want delete. Suppose I want to click on cancel. I have to give another option. Anchor tag. Cancel. Come here. Cancel. ఈ cancel కి give one class button success. Once you click on cancel, it is pointing to hash. I want to go to the company.id. Now refresh. Cancel. Going to back. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఓ బటన్ కావాలి బికాస్ అప్డేట్ ఉంది లిస్ట్ ఉంది బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్ దిస్ వన్ బటన్ లేదు సో కంపెనీ డీటెయిల్ delete danger refresh button आया. If you want to update okay, if you want to delete delete, gone, come here, refresh. So all came. NCR delete companies list, NCR update, Katrina Kaif updated, come here, updated, Katrina Kaif. If I want to delete, yes, gone. IBM, delete, cancel, company list. All operations are done. The final story of CRUD operations. Atla we have to implemented CBVs. ఇది ఓవరాల్ CBVs, FBVs are done. The final question is differences between CBVs and FBVs. What is the differences? ఎవడేమని ఒకటి ఓకే First one, in CBBs we can extend it very easily because it is a class based review. Inheritance concepts is there. In case of function based oriented, no inheritance extension is not possible. CBVs can be easily extended, but FBVs cannot extend easily. CBVs can promote reusability of the code. Promotes reusability of the code. FBVs cannot promote reusability of the code because function based everything have to write the code. CBVs can use O techniques. ఏంటిది ఓవో టెక్నిక్స్ అమ్మా ఏంటిది ఏదో చెప్పావుగా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్ FBVs cannot use object oriented techniques. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీన్స్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్సెస్ మిక్సిన్స్ దోస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆర్ పాసిబుల్ CBV. ఇక్కడ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. CBVలో వెరీ లెస్ కోడ్ ఈజ్ దేర్. ఓన్లీ 1-2 lines, but FBV lengthy code will be there. In FBVs, more coding. Fifth, ఇక్కడ default template files and context object supports are available. బట్ ఇక్కడ కుదరదు, ఆల్ ఆర్ అవర్ ఓన్. డిఫాల్ట్ టెంప్లేట్ ఫైల్ అండ్ కంటెక్స్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ support is not available. In case of CBVs, there are some restrictions are there. Hence it is less powerful. FBV no restriction, anything you can write. There is a restriction on the functionality. Hence less powerful. There is no restriction on the functionality. Hence more powerful. In CBV execution flow we don't know, but we can do all operations. Because by seeing this one day views low, by seeing this how the flow is going on there, you don't know, only model company, model company, model company. But in function based we are writing if request dot method equal to post form dot save ani employees dot objects all read display. But ekkada we don't know the flow, but everything will be performing. Implicit execution flow ante parent class will take care. That's why we don't know the how it is working. explicit execution flow, and hence improves readability. ఇవి differences of CB and FBVs. If you remove the hash, it will work out. If hash is there, it's not working, Dhanush. That is the FBVs and CBVs. Next concept is ORM. Of that, all are simple topics only. By next weekend, I will finish your Django course. 11 లోపు 6 days. Sir, what is the Django ORM? Javalo same concept is there. Hibernate ani, Spring ORM ani. Concept will be there. What is the full form of ORM? ORM. O ante object. In Python, everything is object. Even though you know already, I am given x equal to 10. X value 10. What is 10? Internal ga 10 is a one object. X is pointing to this object. That's why X contains some address. So that's why in Python, everything will be treated as objects. Class, we are creating objects, employee object, a student object, anything. X equal to 10. Suppose I have to declare one list. 10, 20, 30. What it is? One object dot created. Internal values are 10, 20, 30. L is pointing to this one. So we know what is object. Next one, in the database, general terminologies are first was databases. The first terminology is DBMS is there. Database management system. In that there are some problems are there. Next they have to give an RDBMS, relational database management system. Nowadays everyone using or DBMS means object relational database management systems. So every time they have to give some new features to the databases. Same. Here I am writing a Python program. And a Django ante nothing but views.py. What it is? Python file only. Views.py file. By using this, in your who are attending my regular classes, PDBC concept explained database. But database understandable language only one language, SQL only. So some translators required these terminologies in our Python. If I want to connect to Oracle, cx underscore Oracle, MySQL ki py MySQL, SQL server ki py MS SQL, translators are required. Adi Python version. Ikkada not required. Direct Django communicated to this one and read data from here every day. If I want to read the data from the database, what is the query? Select star from EMP, sir. This is query. Then EMP table, all the records will be displayed. Kani, in Django, what is the command you are using? Objects.all. Ante, suppose it is a employee anukondi. Model name dot objects dot all. Adi ante, every SQL query ki within your Django one command will be there. That is nothing but ORM, object relational mapping. You can tell any SQL command. I will tell the corresponding Django command because we are using every day this command only. But it is internally converted to SQL and injected to your database. I am getting the data. So who will take care? That employee.objects.all. That is nothing but your ORM concept. Every SQL command ki corresponding Django command will be there. That mapping is nothing but object relational mapping. To select all employees from the employee table, the SQL command is, everybody knows about this one. Select star from table name. The ORM command is model name dot objects. What is object? We don't know. Now I will give full clarity. What is that objects? All is a function. Employee is the our model name. Chala, every SQL command ki corresponding Django command will be there. Such type of thing is nothing but ORM. This is main koncham lengthy topic. Once it is completed, remaining all are simple. 1 day, 2 day, 1 day, 2 day only. So by before your festival, finish Django. After festival holidays, we will talk about REST API. Then your Django course completed successfully. Okay. Monday we will see this one ORM concept. PDBC in Python concept, not Django. Already in my Python, I explained the PDBC concepts. Sorry, bye everyone. Monday we will continue.